Hello dear students. So in this video we will be talking about a very important vaccine which is given at birth, that is the BCG vaccine, the Bacillus Calmette-Guerin vaccine. So this vaccine is given at birth and it protects against the severe forms of tuberculosis like disseminated TB and tubercular meningitis. But it does not protect much against pulmonary TB. So the protective efficacy of this vaccine ranges from 0 to 80%. Now it is to be given at birth. And the dose, if the baby is less than 1 month old, that is if you're giving at birth, the dose will be 0.05 ml per dose. And if you're giving for a baby beyond 1 month of life, the dose will be 0.1 ml per dose. And it is to be given intradermally. And what is the site at which you give it? You give it at the left upper arm. Why do you give it at the left upper arm? Because there is a BCG scar that is going to form. And you can later in life, if you want to check whether the baby has received BCG vaccine or not, you can simply check for this BCG scar. So this is one of the 3 vaccines which is recommended to be given at birth by our national immunization schedule. So what are those 3 vaccines given at birth? BCG, OPV 0 dose and hepatitis B birth dose. And if a baby has not received BCG at birth, you can do catch-up immunization till 1 year of age according to the national immunization schedule. As per IAP guidelines, you can even give it till 5 years of age. The important adverse effects of BCG, so they are like BCG lymphadenitis can happen, osteitis can happen, disseminated BCG can happen, infection can happen if you happen to give it to a immunocompromised child. So this BCG scar, it takes a few months, 6 to 8 weeks to develop. So initially there is a vesicle, then a papule, it ulcerates and ultimately forms a BCG scar. So nothing to worry if you are seeing the ulcer at the BCG site. It is a normal immune phenomenon which is essential for the BCG scar to form. So one more thing, remember, it is a dark colored vial, brown in color. Why? Because it is light sensitive. And it is one of those vaccines that do not follow open vial policy. So if you have opened a vial, so you have to make sure that you use it in that particular session. You cannot leave or you cannot reuse the open vial in the subsequent immunization sessions. So that's about this very important vaccine, the BCG vaccine.